Rental Beast University provides interactive and engaging education on how to navigate our online platform and the entire rental process. We provide video tutorials for each element of our platform, as well as easy-to-follow, step-by-step user guides. We also provide multi-day intensive bootcamp courses, recorded webinars, and single-page resources on the rental process. Increase your agent's engagement and confidence with our gamification features such as points, badges, and leaderboards. Track the progress and education of your agents with detailed reports on what classes they've completed on the platform. Our highly trained real estate professionals will provide feedback on assignments and answer questions through our internal messaging system. Give your agents the opportunity to experience Rental Beast University today.